What's going on, guys? We have a little bit different video for today. Today we're going to go over the desk and PC build of Octavius's computer that he got for Christmas. And I'm going to let him take over for a minute. Tay, can you tell us the specs of your computer? What are the specs?
Alright, so for my CPU, I got an i7 4790.
4790K? Okay, alright. 4th gen Intel i7. Alright, what else?
And then for my graphics card, I got an RX 9060 XT.
9060 XT. Okay. What else we got?
And then for my power supply, I'm not sure who made it, but I do know it's a 500 watt.
500 watt. Okay. 500 watt power supply. Okay. All right. What about the RAM? What are we looking at?
It is DDR3.
DDR3. How much?
32 gigs.
32 gigs of RAM. Okay. So we got a budget build, guys. It's definitely a budget build, but hey, if the budget build works, the budget build works for now. But we're going to go ahead and go right into some of the photos of us actually building a desk. Now, this desk went ahead and we built it together in his room. We have a before picture and an after photo, obviously, of the desk. And it was a process, I'll say that. I don't think I realized it wasn't really hard, but it was definitely took a few hours to get the desk built. I think it was like a couple hours we built the desk, and then probably 2 hours to build the PC. So it was like 4 hours or so, almost 5 hours between everything. So quite a bit of time, but we got it all done. And let's go ahead and get things started with how everything looked. All right, so that was the photo there of his room before, and here are some photos of Tay building the desk. You see we're getting the frame all put together here. There's a lot of drilling, a lot of holes, a lot of drills. But we got that. There's a frame coming together. There's a ton of screws that we had to put in place. There's mad screws, man. We're drilling, it felt like, all the time. But the frame's coming together, looks good. And we got the actual table part of it on, looking solid. Man, just kind of looking back at some of these photos, it's crazy. But man, we made it, we got it together. Dang, looking good, looking good. Got the monitor risers on there. Oh, got everything plugged in. And guys, this one's RGB too, so it came out, I think, pretty solid.
That RAM.
RAM, you want to put the RAM in?
Usually.
Okay, all right.
Is that usually like the CPU and the RAM? Is that usually?
CPU, you could do it that way. You could do it that way. All
What
right.
way do you do it? What way do you do it?
Let's see. For PC build, yeah, you might as well put the RAM in. I mean, might as well. All right.
Alright.
Budget build, baby. Budget build, guys. We're doing a budget build.
Alright.
Yep, you put them tabs back. They might already be back. I don't know. Like that one, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like they're back. Yeah.
Okay.
So one stick at a time. And it only fit in one way. You shouldn't have to force it. Yeah. I could tell. Yeah, I think that's the way. It's gotta fit in those grooves. Yeah.
There's one to like actually.
No, you gotta push it. Well, it was it. Go ahead and put her in. Make sure she sinks into the groove. Now you're gonna push down a little bit. You gotta push it down where it clicks. You'll hear like the click. I would put one finger here, and just push down. Oh yeah, keep going. Keep pushing down. It should click.
Did it not move?
Let's see. I think it's in the groove. It was
Wow.
struggle.
Wow.
Struggle
It's
getting that
actually, like,
ram.
really hard to
Yeah.
push.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Struggle getting that ram in.
Wait, it's not bent back. That's why.
Oh yeah, make sure she's bent back.
That's why.
Alright.
Tell me.
Alright, now she can click in. Alright guys, here's the first time. Here, you hold this.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Alright. First time putting RAM in a motherboard. See how you're supposed to do it is click. See, hear that? Click there. You gotta push pressure on the ends. Alright?
Definitely do.
Okay, next one. Next RAM stick.
Okay, usually how I see YouTubers do it is
Well,
but we
yeah.
got four.
That's right, we got 4 of them puppies.
So do you want
They
me to
go
put
all-
it to the next
Yep,
one?
we got them. Put it to the next one. It's all the same RAM, so it doesn't matter. You have 4 sticks of it, so if it was only 2 sticks, we do like 1 and then skip 1, but we had all 4 sticks.
Yep.
Yep. Apply pressure. Click in.
That one was.
Keep going. Apply a little more pressure. If it's on, it should click right in. Yep. Looks like it's. Looks like it is. Keep going. No.
Applying good pressure
He's
too.
applying pressure.
Yeah.
Guys. Hold on. Let's see. What are we doing? Yeah. It looks like it's lined up where the groove is.
What about for you, Dad? Was it kind of hard to put in? When
When I first was learning, yeah, it was. When I first learned how to put it.
Good pressure, like really good pressure.
All right. Here, let me hold this. Let's see, guys. Yeah. Oh, maybe that was out. Maybe that was out. Hold on. Go ahead and give it another try. Pop the tap. Go ahead and apply that pressure. Sure that's out. That's out. Oh, yep. It looks like it was sitting in a little bit better. I remember my first time putting RAM sticks in. I was afraid I was gonna break it because I was applying too much pressure to the RAM.
Yeah, you gotta put pressure.
You gotta put pressure on that thing.
Bro, it keeps coming back in there.
Yeah.
That's why. I swear. Tell me when it comes, like, tell me when it starts to.
Yeah, I mean, once you apply pressure, it should kind of pop in, but, so that might be what's going on. Okay, okay. Okay, that's fine, it's in. Now, this side needs a little bit more, this side here.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it needs to be pushed in more so it clicks in. You need to click that in. Keep going. Oh, hey, there it is, there it is. All right, we got a RAM stick in, guys. We got a RAM stick in.
Like, that was actually simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that look good?
Looking good, go ahead. Hey, it's in, all right.
That was the. Now, 24 gigs so far.
Yeah.
Doing
32.
Yeah, we're doing 32. 32 is very good.
Multiplication, 8 times 4, 32. Hey, all right. 32 gigs, ladies and gentlemen.
32 gigs.
32 gigs. All right.
Go.
All right. So RAM is installed. Next, we should probably install the. We should probably install the CPU cooler.
Yes.
Yep. Back at it. All right. First time applying thermal paste. Push and then glide it down. Yep. Okay. All right. That's good. And then do an X. I usually like the X method. It's typically how I always applied it. All right. Okay.
X
I mean, that's
more than
literally.
dot.
Yeah, I like the X. Yeah, you're good. That's all you need.
Getting all 4
All right, put the
corners
cap
for the
back
most
on
part.
it. All right, so go ahead and grab that puppy, and you'll want to aim it towards where the, you see this pin
I
here?
like that.
That, aim it towards, because it's gonna sit here, so aim it up to where
Yeah,
it's easily
sideways.
able- Yeah, like that, yep. Make sure you get this cable out the way, because that's for something else. Okay, now, here's what you're gonna need to do. You're gonna have to apply some pressure, and you're gonna have to put it in like this, and really like, can you just hold the cooler? Make sure it doesn't move. And then I'll start with one, trying to get that screwed in. See how I'm doing this? See how it's going in?
Oh,
Jeez. All right,
got a little out
now
focus
you
there.
can let off, and you
Okay.
can do the other three.
Make sure to plane down.
Okay. I can do that. We gotta plug the CPU cooler in. So, yep, this, you see this here? See how it has like that, and there's 3 holes? You see where there is 3 holes right here?
Yeah.
It slides, it plugs right in like that.
Like that?
Let me take a look, take a peek. Yeah, it looks like she's in. She is in. CPU fan header in. Okay.
Alright.
See if we can get it to boot. So, 9060 XT. We're gonna put this right into this slot here.
This slot?
Yep, it's gonna go right into that slot. Now, it fits right in. This is open, so you're good to go. When it clicks in, it shuts. When we have it open,
Now, which way?
yep, just like
That's a big card, man.
Just
That's a
like
big
you
card.
would. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a big boy.
Yo.
And it goes in, and it has to click in. If it doesn't click, it's not gonna work.
Yo.
Yeah, it's actually. Yeah. You gotta line that perfectly in there and click it in. I think I needed some help from
Yeah, it should line right up, and then you should feel it.
Wait, do you want to try doing it?
Yeah, if you can't get it, I'll put it in.
Yeah, put it in.
Yes, I can't, man. It's so hard.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Is it in?
Yep, she's in now. She's in. Alright. Let me see if you click it up there. Yeah, she's clicked in.
I was really trying to go
She's good to go.
deep in that camera view there. Jeez.
Alright, so now it's time to plug some things in.
Look at that camera view.
Time
Gosh,
to
look at my
plug some
hand.
things in. So, what does it look like, guys? Yeah,
Power supply.
yeah, you hear that click? She's in. 24 pin is in.
A lot of clicking.
Alright, what do you think we gotta plug in next?
Well, I'm not sure about that.
I was not knowing.
Okay. Well, we have to apply power to the processor. You know where the 8-pin goes? Yeah. Oh, flip it for me. It's got the clicking side has to go on the outside.
Yeah, so now you need to power the processor. That's where the 8-pin is.
How about you double check?
Oh, actually it's in. Alright, now, what do you think we gotta plug in next?
We got plug in next. I'm not sure.
Do you have to plug in the graphics?
Yeah, definitely gonna plug in graphics. It's gonna take another 8-pin. Alright. So the tab part, it's up here. So the tab part goes on the outside. Yep,
Like that?
yep. Is she in? She could be in, I can't tell. Okay.
Double check.
Yeah, it's looking pretty in. That's such a big card. Okay. I guess the last step is to actually plug in everything. So I'm gonna take, you can unwrap this boy. Okay. Now, there's the front panel. Let's see which one actually turns it on and turns it off. There's a power. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to trip it. All right, so we'll go ahead and I guess power everything up. You see that switch on the trip light? Can you just flip it? All right, good. So we have no faults, which is great. Now you see that switch on the power supply? Flip it to 1.
It's already at 1.
Is it 1?
It's at 1.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna see if we can plug your HDMI cable into the graphics card. The HDMI is gonna be this guy. Yep. This way. No, it's the other way. Yep. Should keep going. There it is. Good news so far, but let's see if we get anything though. Because there's not gonna. Oh yeah, turn that on. Oh yeah, jeez. All right. Hasn't sensed anything yet. Hey! We're at the BIOS, guys. We are at the BIOS. All right. The computer works. The graphics card works. Hey, good job. Yeah. Right on. So it works. So now we can actually do the full build.
It's always scary at first. You never know if it works.
Wow. Nice. Nice, nice. That's it, man. We're at the BIOS. This is a good look. Okay. Alright, so we got to line the standoffs in the case. Yep. Now that's setting it down, but it's not lined up. See?
Yeah, I see.
You see where the holes are.
I didn't even know.
Yeah. Yeah. It sucks because it sucks getting the motherboard in perfectly aligned. You gotta line it perfectly in there. Then screw it in.
Okay. Alright, now we're making some progress.
Okay.
I think we're for the most part lined up. We'll put some screws in it, and then we'll kind of go from there. But for the most part, we're lined up. Okay, I think those are the screws. Actually fit it. Okay, so that's basically it. I put one in there. Looks like it's pretty tight. So what I'll do is I'll give you this. You get those other screws, or get another screw. Nope, the other way. Yep, that's how you tighten it. Stable, and then we'll put one on the graphics card. Or where the graphics card's gonna go. Alright, nice. So the board's not going anywhere. Okay, that's a stable board. Okay, so let's start plugging stuff in. So let's get the basics plugged in. You want to align the blank one here with the empty one there. So you want to line it up and don't force it in, like it should go in smooth. You should not have to force it. If you're forcing it, you're going to break a pin. So it just goes right on in.
Bro, I can barely see it. Okay.
Flip it around real quick. Flip it. Yeah, it's gonna go in like that, I think.
Wait, can I be your cameraman?
Oh boy.
Yeah. I can't see
Boy.
it.
It's jeez.
So it should just go in like this.
Yeah.
Boom. USB. So you want to try to plug it in your USB. So if you see how that one says audio? You read, you see that?
Yeah.
And then you want to look for one that says USB. You see one that says USB?
I see USB 2.
Okay, that'll work. USB 2 will work. So, same deal. You want to plug it in kind of just like this. It should just go right in like that. Okay.
Wanna try? Yeah, I see.
Yep, she seems in. Okay, last one, at least here. Audio. So your audio is going to go all the way over here. I think that's it. But once again, don't force it if it doesn't want to go in.
Oh man, camera angle's off. Oh man, it's a struggle, guys. Sorry about that. Not the best cameraman, but
Trying to
Nice.
see it, trying to see it, trying to see it.
Yep, she's in. She's in.
yeah.
All right, audio's in. So we have front panel, we have USB, and we have audio. Fantastic. Now we got to do USB 3. So USB 3 is going to go right here. So here's your USB 3.
Wow.
Feels like it's like kinda in. Feel like.
Yeah, kind of. I'm going to put in a little deeper. Okay. All right, that's better. Power supply time. Do you plug it in?
No.
All right. So I'll give you a little-
Yeah, how you do that?
Yeah, that'll give you a little lesson. So all these cables that are coming out of it, we want to feed those cables through. We're gonna feed them through the hole here. Yes. All right, guys. Another one. Oh man. Get into the PC build.
These, I get one.
not everyone's a PC builder, right? Not everyone's a PC builder. That's because when you do it, if you do so many builds, you just get a lot of experience, so you know how they kind of work more. This is your first build, so yeah, you're not gonna easily just start building it. It takes time to learn how all this works.
But I am ripping it. Bro.
Yeah, she's going in. All right.
I mean, look.
Power supply is in.
So much.
Now,
There's a lot of screws.
now we get
A lot of
the
screws.
fun luxury of plugging in circuits.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna want to plug in the 8-pin for the CPU. We're gonna want to plug in the 24-pin. And we're gonna want to plug in, yeah, that's about it right now. Yeah, and then that little tab's gonna be on the outside of it. It's gonna point up, the tab.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay.
Now, this is very hard
Yeah.
to even see.
Yep. Yeah, we're running on a little bit of a lighting. Ain't no light.
Okay, I think it's pretty good.
Alright. We're installing the fan, these 4 screws. Tighten them down. You might have to lift the fan up a little, maybe just a little bit, but yeah. And tighten them screws down.
This one? We'll see that far. I don't really
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I just need more fans.
consuming.
Yes,
I
yes.
want to change the color too.
They wouldn't think you would get a little workout
Joyful,
screwing
yeah.
in PC components. Huh?
I wish I knew how to do that. Like that's I don't.
You don't
Yeah.
even know how.
Yeah, I don't even know
I think this
how that happened. Yeah.
So far so good. Yeah, you might not have to hold it. Yeah, you might just be able to actually get it tight. Get it right. Get it right. Get it tight.
No, not
Yeah, you knew that was coming. You knew
I
that.
knew that get it tight
Yeah,
was coming.
yeah.
I knew it.
That's right.
Get it right, get it right, get it
Get tight. That's right.
Why did I feel like it was coming?
You knew it was coming. You knew it was coming.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
I didn't have to.
All right.
It have to end up. Ooh, I do like seeing
Mm-hmm.
it up.
Yeah. See.
It do be looking kind of far.
All right. All right. There we go. There we go.
It did look good. It did.
I still don't really care about it, but it looks fire. I won't.
All right. Nice. Pretty good. I'll take that. Good job. Fan in. Alright, so it's only gonna plug in. We're plugging in for the fan hub. So, let me see. Yeah, try to plug it in like that. Did it go in? Can you push it in more? Yeah, that's in.
I mean, that's where all the fans are
Okay,
connected to. They're connected to that hub.
Find another fan.
But how to control the hub? Typically, there's usually like 2 different ways to control fans. It's either through your motherboard or through an actual remote, like fan remote. And
Alright. Now that we have that, there's 2 things what we're gonna need. We're gonna need power to the fan hub now. So, as you can see on the end here,
yeah,
there's SATA power. That's what they call this plug, is SATA.
SATA.
SATA. So, somewhere on the power supply, one of these plugs, there should be some SATA. So, yeah, you plug that into there.
Like that.
Yeah, I believe so. There you go. Alright, that's it. Now, real quick, what we'll need is, we'll get the cables done in a second. What we need is to plug your drive in now. Your SSD. You need another SATA for that, so here it is. Yeah, there it is. Alright. Now the drive has power. Okay. Okay, alright.
I'm gonna go on task manager. Yeah.
Okay.
Task
Alright.
Task manager.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the way to see it.
I gotta check hopefully it works.
Mm. Alright, so this is, take whatever end you want to take. Down here, where the SSD is,
Manager.
it's gonna plug into
What?
this little slot right there.
That's what else is bad to be doing.
Right here.
Yeah,
Task
It's-
manager.
if it doesn't go in, you might want to flip her, but yeah.
Like that, or
Yeah, give it a shot. Yeah, see if it goes in. Push her in. Hey, she's in. Okay. Now the other end of that will go through, say exactly, put it through this hole here. All right, and then we're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip the case around.
In the case. Within the case.
Hold that.
In the case.
See me there? I did not do that.
Okay. See,
The fans can be put in. You know,
One
let me
of
know
them
when you
should
want to put them
say-
in. Let me know.
SATA 0 or SATA 1?
throw 'em
See
in.
if you see a SATA 0 first. And if not, see if you see a SATA 1.
Gonna have to put them in.
I see a SATA 1,
Okay.
but I see like SATA 2, SATA 3, SATA 4, but I don't see no
Alright,
SATA
so
0.
SATA 1, the end of that cable here will plug into SATA 1.
What the heck was I chomping on, man? I was
Yeah,
chomping on something. I don't even know what it was. Here we go.
Yeah.
I was making some chomping sounds. I don't know what I was chomping on.
I wasn't
That's
chomping
it.
on nothing because I know.
Alright,
I
your
was
SSD's
trying to
plugged
build,
in.
man. I was
Yeah.
not chomping on nothing. At least I don't think.
GPU
But,
time.
yo.
GPU time.
That's crazy.
I don't know what I had, but graphics card down.
Yeah. Yo, graphics cards.
Line it up. Now it's going in for sure.
For sure.
Ooh, you hear that? There she is.
Oh yeah. Graphics card.
Get as tight as you can.
Okay.
I mean, not crazy tight, but just tight as you can.
Tight.
Tight.
That's the first one.
Yeah,
Crazy.
just
As tight as I can.
loosen it up a little bit.
Just the right
loosen it up
amount.
A little bit.
Yo.
Yep, that's the way to loosen it. Keep loosening. Because we gotta make sure this is tight. Okay, now tighten it up. Tighten her up now. She's in. She's in. Now here's the thing. Here's
I
the
don't know
thing.
what that
Now
was.
we need
Alright,
to
but
put
Yes.
the,
You got hyped.
you're
Yeah, I
good
did
at
get a
this.
little hyped.
Plug it in. Here, take
it was
this.
pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man.
now, we
Yeah.
have to actually plug the graphics card in.
Okay.
You're in there. You'll hear a click.
That's
Then
good. That's good. Click.
if you push this down while you're pushing in, and
Do I click?
yeah, like that. Yep.
Stick it. It's looking too good, man.
I felt something.
Felt something? All right.
I felt something.
All
I
right.
felt something, man.
Felt something.
Yeah.
I think that means it's
Oh, yeah.
good.
That's pretty darn tight.
Yeah.
That's
pretty
pretty
darn tight in there. That is pretty darn tight.
Yeah.
Alright, looking good. GPU is plugged in. So now it's time to put the side panel back on. You see the cable management went a lot better,
Yeah.
guys.
Right.
As I said it would.
Oh, well.
Side panel time.
Side panel.
Yeah, it's got everything's got to line up.
Why does my PC look like it's flipped upside down?
It's
All
on its
lined up.
side. Yeah, the way that the camera is. It looks like it's upside down.
Yeah.
Just go in the back where those holes are.
Give me some light.
Just give me the light.
I needed some light
Is
there,
it,
man.
is it looking like it's flush? Looking a little crooky there. Looking a little crooky.
Ooh.
No.
Here, I can put a little weight on it. Maybe that'll see what it does.
It's taking forever.
Yeah, I think when the side panel on be such a
You know, I can't wait to plug it in.
Mhm.
There we go.
I'm
Okay.
excited.
That's one. You got the other one? Let's see about that. There it is.
Alright.
Side panel on.
Side panel is on.
Side panel is on. Oh
On.
my gosh, guys, that was painful.
Yeah, it's on.
Now we gotta put the front panel on.
I was.
There's certain
I'm not like.
lines up.
Oh my gosh.
Supposedly right here. Maybe here. Oop. Hold on. I think we're in. Alright.
That looks insane.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Look at that pure blood.
Yeah, I
dude.
was like, wow.
Oh
I didn't
my
know what to
gosh.
say, man.
Okay. Time to put this bumper back on. Do you wanna do it? Line up on the bottom.
It's like it gets lined.
Oh, there. Is that it? That's it. Alright, close her up. There it is.
There
There
it is.
she is.
There it is.
That's my PC.
There she is. Ladies and gent. Now, we're gonna come back with it when it's all finished and plugged in and light lit up, hopefully. And see what she can do here. But PC build complete. It only took like 3 or maybe 4 hours. Alright, we got the PC all set up, ready to go. It's ready to rock and roll. Plugged in. We'll see if this thing turns on now. It's all in there. Let me get a view of the inside. Only seeing some Sour Patch Kids, but it's all good. That graphics good. Alright, let's see what happens. Push it on. Ooh. Nice, it's coming
Now, sadly,
on.
no orange light,
Here's the
man.
question.
Yeah.
Will it go into Windows?
I don't think it goes into anything yet. I think there was an issue we had when we first turned it on.
See the issue? Hold on. It's doing something.
Oh, I turned back on. Yeah.
It is doing something. I see it. I see the hard drive activity light on.
See, that's the blue. See,
Yeah,
it's checking.
it's getting some kind of something.
I'm
But is it going to the from the graphics card? That's
No.
It's going to no signal.
It goes to no signal.
Goes to no signal. Alright, so we got it up and running. Had to unplug all the USB stuff that we plugged in. Once we unplugged everything and then turned on the machine, it looks like everything is now up and running. We are in Windows. Now, there's no drivers available yet, but we will get there. But yeah, she's up and running. She's in the Windows. Fans are going. We're looking good. We'll get everything set up and hopefully maybe do a little PC gaming video. That was it. That was the end of the video there. But yeah, I think that, you know, how do you think that the build went? I know it was long. Yeah, it was a long build. It was
definitely long.
It was definitely long. But as you guys saw, we got it up and running. Got that budget build running. It's looking good. And he's playing on it, so worth the build, worth it, you know?
Yeah.
Worth it. You hear that, guys? Even the budget build is better than the PS5.
It's okay, but I'm up.
Yeah, I'm about to say you have some console dudes come after you. You know what I mean? You know them console boys be you know they don't like PC like that. They all about their consoles. So they about their consoles. So. Oh,
they're not gonna get
you hear about that?
They're not gonna get it.
Oh,
and even I have a console, so.
Talking to a console player and PC player.
Yeah, I got both.
The FPS is better on PC.
It is. It is.
You heard it here first.
I mean, console is good too, man, but PC is just better.
All right, PC Bay. You guys can fight about that in the comments, but you heard it from Tay, man. PC better. PC better. You know, I kind of have to agree. I was a console gamer all of my child life. All I had was consoles, loved them. But then, you know, after I got a PC, I started playing PC games. It was on another level, man. It was on another level. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the build. It was definitely a long build when kind of cut all of it down to make it viewable. But we got through it, and I know he's pumped. Hopefully we got another upgrade, so we'll do a video when it's time for an upgrade, and it'll be a new video, and you can see what he upgrades to. And I know he's already thinking about upgrades, man. Just more power.
More FPS?
More FPS, oh my gosh.
More FPS,
I tell you. It's always FPS. That's the thing. You build a computer, then you just keep getting. You want to build more. You want the more faster components. It never stops. It never stops.
I can't get only 200.
Only you hear this guy's only 200, and he's complaining about 200 FPS.
Yeah, I need more than that.
That's crazy.
I need
Why?
more than 240. Yeah.
Wow. I can't, guys. There's a limit to the FPS. I can't see anything past, like, to me, I feel like I can't feel anything past, like, 200 FPS. Like, I can't feel anything past that. Like, let alone, it's like more of 144 FPS. Like, after that, I feel like, I start to feel like I can't tell a difference after I get past 144 FPS. But, definitely, 240. You know how many people would love to have 240?
Oh, I know those console boys would love to have 240.
Oh my gosh.
But, you know, it's not.
It's not enough.
It's
not enough. I don't understand. Yeah, these new age PC kid gaming, man. 240 is not enough. Get out of here, man. It's nonsense. It's nonsense what I'm hearing. All right. Well, I don't know. We'll see on the next upgrade. We'll do a video, and God, maybe he'll get more than 240. Oh boy. But whatever the case is, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will catch you guys next time. Peace.